Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I am going to show you how I prepare a hair mask at home. A week prior I had colored my hair, and you know, when you color your curly hairs are usually dry. Type of hair is dry and it needs a lot of conditioning. So a hair mask once a week, a hair mask is really good. So here I have ATC premium shea butter. I'm going to take a scoopful, this much of shea butter in a container like this. Then I'm going to take this Pantene leave-in cream. I don't use this leave-in cream, and I found the best way to use it is by making a hair mask with it. The reason why I don't use this as a leave-in cream is because it contains silicone. So what better way of using it is best prepare a hair mask, use it on your hair and wash it off. Silicones are bad for your hair, but you know, if you're going to wash it off and not keep it as a leave-in treatment, I think it's best. Then I have another herbal hair cream. I don't know if you have heard of this. This is Himalaya hair cream. I really love Himalaya hair creams. I used to use them as leave-in creams. Lately I just changed my routine and I no longer use it as a leave-in hair cream, but I do use it this way. So here too I'm going to take a scoopful of that. If you can see my mixture, I have all three ingredients and I'm going to press down this shea butter. Shea butter is actually like butter, so we need to just blend it with the other creams. This is like a best DIY hair mask at home. You can prepare a hair mask out of yogurt and a banana in a blender. Put that in the blender, you have a hair mask. You can even try avocado, banana and yogurt, or avocado and banana itself is the best hair mask. You can add coconut oil to that hair mask. This, I don't find the need to add any oil because shea butter in itself is so rich. You don't need anything. It's such a potent butter for your hair. Shea butter is so potent. It provides all the nutrition that your hair needs. I'm going to add more of that Himalaya hair cream. Now this particular hair cream is enriched with Bringraj and Amla. Bringraj and Amla both are really good for your hairs, for hair growth, for hair breakage. So you could get ready-made store-bought hair masks and apply it on your face. Apply it on your hair, I mean, not your face. And you could even have better results with those, but so it looks like frosting. And this, I'm going to section my hair and apply this hair cream all over my head. Like I said, I had colored my hair 1 week prior and my hair is like super dry. This hair cream is so thick. I don't know if you can see my dry hairs. They're like super dry. So let's detangle my hair. It's always best that you section your hairs and detangle, because that way the detangling process becomes easy and there is less breakage. We don't want any more breakage. Same thing, detangle, apply the cream and set it aside. I'm going to do it to the entire head of my hairs. Entire hairs, you know, the whole hair that is there on my head. Focus on the ends because the ends are like the dead ends, and you know, you want to revive them. I'm done with my whole set of hairs. Whatever partitions that I've done, I have applied. Now I'm going to apply the rest all over. This area is so dry, so dry, it needs more attention. So I'm going to leave this hair mask for an hour or so. Actually, you're supposed to leave it around 15 to 30 minutes. I'm going to leave it for more time so that my hair can benefit from all that I have mixed. And you saw it's like a thick whipping cream. See you later. Okay, you guys, since we are waiting with this hair updo, we are going to have these sweets for tea. These are all my Christmas sweets, so I really love having sweets, and my face is really showing the outcome of having so many sweets. I've not been exercising, not doing any workout, and I'm just putting on weight, eating quite a lot. Wait time is not over. I have to keep this even longer. So once I'm done with the hair wash, I'll show you the end result. Okay, you guys, it has been almost 2 hours waiting time with this hair mask on. Now I'm going to wash my hair. Once I'm done washing and styling my hair, I'll be showing you what my hair looks like from usual to the hair mask. What the hair actually looks like, you'll see the difference. Okay, you guys, my hair is all washed and this is the end result. I don't know if you can see. The curls are all well defined. My hair feels way softer and manageable. Manageable in the sense the curls are all loosened up. I had many deadlocks, so the hair mask really helped. That's all for this video. If you like the video, if you like my hair masks DIY, hit the like button. And if you have any hair mask ideas, comment below, because this is usually what I do and I want to finish off certain products which have failed me. I want to use it in my hair masks, mix it with other products and make it work for my hair. So if you have such ideas, comment below, and don't fail to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Your subscription would mean a lot to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.